Microsoft's latest patch Tuesday has once again stirred up frustration in the Windows community, as the Windows 11 cumulative update KB5058411, released on May 13, 2025, is failing to install for countless users, generating a flood of complaints and error reports that Microsoft has yet to adequately address. While Patch Tuesdays are supposed to bring essential security and stability improvements, they've increasingly become a source of headaches, and this time, it's no different. Earlier this month, Windows 10 users were hit by a frustrating BitLocker recovery loop bug caused by update KB5058379, which thankfully got resolved with an out-of-band patch KB5061768. But Windows 11 users aren't so lucky. The KB5058411 update is now throwing multiple error codes, including 0x800F0991, 0x800F0838, 0x8007363, and 0x800F081F. And if you're dealing with any of these, you're not alone. On Microsoft's own support forums, user Shukong Liang reported, problem with Windows Update KB5058411. Installation fails and error code 0x800F0991 comes up. A post has already received 33 upvotes, signaling just how widespread the issue really is. Another frustrated user, Palk671, echoed the same experience, sharing that the update stalls at 6% before throwing error 0x800F081F, and even after manually downloading the update through Microsoft's update catalog, they received a different error, 0x800F0838. Their CBS logs and event viewer didn't help either, as those were littered with the 0x8000736B3 code, and their post has been backed by 19 other users so far. Meanwhile, user JennyXS reported hitting the same wall with error code 0x800F081F when attempting to install the update. What's more alarming is that Microsoft recently released a comprehensive list of hex error codes related to Windows Update failures, but none of the codes users are encountering with KB5058411 appear on that list. This gap in official documentation is causing even more distress, as people desperately look for solutions that Microsoft hasn't even acknowledged yet. Clearly, Microsoft needs to update that list. Fast. One silver lining, if you can call it that, is a tip shared by a commenter named Scott Birch, who claims they resolved the issue by using the built-in Fix Problems using Windows Update tool. According to them, following Microsoft's December 2024 guidance on this tool actually worked in their case, though results may vary depending on your system. Still, the larger issue remains. Microsoft official support continues to be reactive instead of proactive, and their vague, one-size-fits-all responses just aren't cutting it for users experiencing persistent update failures. The tech giant must urgently recognize the severity of the KB5058411 problems and roll out a comprehensive fix, ideally in the form of a stable out-of-band update, like it did for Windows 10. Until then, users are left trying workaround after workaround, combing through forums, logs, and obscure error codes, hoping for a patch that may not arrive anytime soon. So, if you're stuck watching your Windows Update fail at 6% or hitting error codes that Microsoft hasn't even documented, know that you're not alone, and keep an eye on community-driven solutions while we wait for an official response. For continuous updates on this issue, deep dives into user experiences, and clear breakdowns of future patches and fixes, make sure you're subscribed to TechVerse, your trusted source for no-nonsense tech news.